In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money into the Kalshi app. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the app, then you want to go to the top left and select on these three bars. Then you're going to see this option that says deposit to Kalshi, and you just want to go ahead and press on that. From here, it is going to give you multiple different options that you guys are able to use. So you can source funds from like a Venmo account, PayPal, your card, bank account, etc. So there's a lot of great options. So you're able to go ahead and select on card, for example, then type in the amount that you want to deposit to Kalshi. Then it is going to prompt you to add your payment method. So in this instance, we did actually go ahead and put in a card. So then what you need to do is you need to go ahead and actually verify your account by entering your phone number and stuff like that. And then it is going to ask you to enter in your card number, the expiration date, and the CVV, all essential and important things. Now, once you connected your card over to Kalshi, then you're going to be good to go. Then you're able to go ahead and move funds over to Kalshi and begin trading and doing investments and stuff like that. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.